Tentative diff mount. Actually, before we go on talking about this session, I had a short unrecorded session before this where I took the prop shaft out and tried to grease it with the grease gun again. Pretty much the same thing happened. I think it's probably fully greased at this point. So I installed it back in that session, and I think we're good to go. In this session, I had my wife come and help me try to mount the diff to the chassis with just some steel rods that I got from the local hardware store just to hold it in place so I can take out each one by one and install the proper bolts and washers. So she helped me hold the diff on the jack while I slowly raised it. Once it was sort of in place, we ended up stuffing one long rod through the top holes, and then Allen wrenches on the two bottom ones, mostly because the rods I got were too long to fit in the bottom ones. Um, as soon as that was done, I lowered the jack to make sure everything was holding, and then raised it back up to sort of support it while we left it in the garage. Um, that was it for this session. The goal was just to get it up so that I can do the rest by myself in a future session.